With the create intersection command, you can also create a roundabout. So in this case, you'll see that I've got 3 alignments. So I'm going to hold my control key down and select the 3 alignments. I'm going to use the create intersection command. You can see that it's found the 3 alignments. It's got the intersection name, and I'm going to call this roundabout. And if I don't select create roundabout, it's going to create a 4-way intersection. It's easy enough to change the properties to go back to create a roundabout, but I'm going to click create roundabout. I'm going to click apply, and you can see that it goes and defines that roundabout. Now the lane properties and the roundabout properties itself are all basically some default parameters. Again, just like in the previous video, is you can come in and change the connection type. So if I pick this grip and I pick that connection and I go into the properties, I can come in here and I can change it from a touch roundabout to a contra inner circle, and therefore then change the actual properties and parameters of the roundabout itself. So here's where I can switch it from a roundabout to a 4-way intersection, or back to a roundabout, and then therefore change the properties of all of the parts and pieces of this particular roundabout. To change the road legs or width of the lanes, you'll pick on the road leg, and on that road leg you can see here you can change the width to the right, the slope to the right, left, and so on, even the shoulder width as well. So again, this is just using the 2 alignments to define the intersection, and we'll build the surface of that intersection. You could also add in, just like in the other one with the intersections, you can add in some islands. So if I was to put in a roundabout island here, I can change all the parts of this roundabout through the properties as well.